Exciting, not exciting, but news. I bought me a new car. An old, nice Nissan Micra from 99 with a 1.3 liter, 75 awesome horsepower. This is my new daily instead of the Volvo, because the Volvo is too expensive to drive around, and I've just bought a new apartment and stuff like that. So I bought this. It's a little bit cheaper for me to run. Got some different plans to it, lowering it and buying some other rims and stuff like that. Maybe paint it at some point. Maybe some exhaust work and stuff like that. Plenty of fun with it, I think. But today I'm just gonna clean it, because the old owners were a pig, something like that. It was the guy I bought it from told me it was his wife who had it before. Just gonna quickly show you around. Need a little bit of light for this. So as you can see, pretty gross and dirty in here. The previous owner has been smoking, and yeah, there's plenty of cigarette butts and ashes and stuff like that. And the nice aftermarket cup holder is moldy, the airbag is moldy, and I don't know what he thought about with that mirror, but that's glued to the airbag. I don't think that's super safe to have up there if the airbag blows in your face. I don't even know why you would need a mirror glued to this. So other than maybe doing lines of coke or something like that, I don't know. So today I'm just gonna quickly clean it. I've just changed the head unit, so there's a bit more sound coming out of the speakers. I don't know if the Volvo and the speaker system is coming to this one. I don't know. Something fun is going to happen. I think we're gonna rivet this spoil thing to it, because it's making marks in the roof when you open the trunk. So yeah, but today's just gonna be a bit of cleaning, maybe a drift stitch or two there, and maybe an open the air filter. I don't know yet. We might have something out there to do. But yeah, I think I'll catch up with you guys when we start cleaning and stuff like that. So I've been cleaning a bit. Still needs to do something. There's still quite a bit of moldy stuff, but we have also been test fitting some rims. So hopefully Peter don't need these, but they look pretty dope on the Micra. But he might need them to his. He's just got another daily and Opel. So and then we have made some cool little drift stitches on the front bumper, and we have made some hacked open air filter, but yeah, the open filter is pretty fucked up, as you can see. I might get another one, but it could just right over there. I don't have to try to give it some cold air somehow. I don't know if it works, but yeah, I don't know. It's there now and gives some sound, so that's pretty dope. Yeah, I think I'll try and give you an update when I've cleaned the interior completely.